show. I'm Coughdrop, and this is my friend Chocolate. Today we're going to talk about cheese and a bunch of other things. Hey, Chocolate.
What?
Hey, Chocolate.
What?
Hey, Chocolate.
What?
Hi. Hey, Chocolate.
What?
Do you like cheese?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
What's your favorite part about cheese?
Because I like for the night.
Hey, Chocolate.
What?
Hey, Chocolate.
What?
Do you like to draw?
Yep.
What do you like to draw?
My mom and dad.
Guess what I like to draw? I like to draw a guy hurting a little kid. But that's kind of violent, so I never do it around other people. Hey, Chocolate, guess what?
What?
Hey, Chocolate, guess what?
What?
Guess what?
What?
Chicken butt. Hey, Chocolate.
What?
Hey, Chocolate.
What?
And then. And then. Hey, Chocolate.
What?
Hey, Chocolate.
What?
And then. Hey, Chocolate.
What?
Do you have any chocolate?
Yep.
You do? Can I have some?
Yes.
Okay, maybe later because I'm not really in the mood right now because I woke up at 6 a.m. and then I had a bunch of cheese and then I had some really bad gas sticking out of my butt. So, yeah. Anyway, hey, Chocolate.
What?
Hey, Chocolate.
What?
Do you like chocolate? I mean, do you eat chocolate? I mean, like, why are dogs allowed to eat chocolate? Because if dogs eat chocolate, then they're going to get sick. Are you mutated or something?
No.
Really? Because it really sounds like you're really mutated, okay? I'm not trying to be offensive, but you're just kind of mutated in my world.
Ah!
You've got a colonial brain, huh?
Yes.
Me and my random outburst! Okay, we're gonna go because I'm about to do a random outburst and chuck myself at the camera. Okay, so bye!